This is our fried fish. Our fried fish. Yeah, this one you can eat right away. Yeah, so now we are ready to start our cooking. I have, we can see niko na garlic, niko na onion, niko na tomato, niko na ginger, niko na capsicum which is hoho, na pia kuna coriander which is dania. So we are going to start our cooking. Remember kiungo, the one that we made here at home. I'm gonna use it today. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm full. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be the first to get videos when I drop them. Check me next. Bye bye. Wow.